My name's Erik Flores, and this is Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. You come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. And I got a heart that burns with the fever. And I got a worried and jealous mind. How can the love that'll last forever just get left so far behind? What in the world has come over me? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Hey! Mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow caused the evil line today. How can you ask me about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run.